Hey everybody, it's Bridget Lynn Dolgoff, Consciousness of Economics and Urban Farm Project. Anyway, hello! Anyway, I'm here in the desert, so this is part 3. So I can just kind of show people, kind of on average what to look for, and if you want a garden bed or you need to restore one or whatever's going to happen. And this is in the desert. We're talking, dusty, kind of a deal. I'm calling my doggy. Okay, so the garden bed was super, downhill, down on this side. And I want to make sure that the water stays on my garden bed and doesn't flow off. And also, I want to make sure that the water doesn't take my nutrient away over into the grass because it is downhill. So I had to go back in and dig out quite a bit of dirt. You can see all the holes. See the little mound over there. So I can try to possibly even it out. And then I found some old dry horse pucky, and I'm starting to dump it in here. Excuse me, I've been really sick. So, and then I'll get that finished, and then I'll rake it down. And then over here we got good horse pucky all the way around the fence line, and my lemon balm transplant is starting to come back, and my cardamom is starting to strengthen that I planted here. Obviously, it's going to be in shock. It came from Sacramento. And then all the strawberry plants that I've dug up are jamming. And I gave them some kelp meal the other day. And then today I put a bunch of super dry horse pucky on them as mulch. Since we're out here in the desert, there's a lot of horse people and lots of old horse pucky. So you never want to put fresh horse pucky on your garden bed because it will burn, because it has so much, fresh stuff in it. Let's just say too much fresh stuff. And so it makes it hot and it burns. And the thing is, I'm not doing tons of remedies. I've done there's a wood pile over there for chopping. And so I've pulled in some wood chips, got horse pucky going. And then we'll even out this soil because it's kind of downhill. I got to dig out the rest of that. I got to dig out the rest of that stuff there. And then I've got to get it all ironed out. And then eventually I'll get a horse pucky all over the whole thing. And I haven't really had a ton of time to work on it. Like I said, I've been busy, been sick. But I have all kinds of heirloom lettuce. I got some heirloom kale. What else did I get? I got something else. So once I get the horse pucky and it all dug out and ironed out, then I'll put some kelp meal on. And then I'll start planting. Okay, that's it. Consciousness of Economics. Oh, and today is Mother's Day. And since I don't have a mother, the earth, excuse me, the earth is my mother today. So I'm celebrating the earth by getting out here and giving her some loving and good energy. And thanks so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.